Good morning, children. Welcome back to EVS class. Now, last two classes, you have got revision. FA1 revision I have been giving for you. Now, this class, let us continue the remaining part of the revision for your FA1 test. As you all know, this Monday, that is 16th, your tests are going to start and you have to come and collect the papers. Yes or no? So, before the test start, see that you all study everything properly. I hope you all have got the revision book where all the subjects you have written. I told you to write in one book itself and open now EVS revision. Okay, from previous class what you had written till where you had stopped. Now continue with that. Next main I had given till match the following. So that is till 5th main. Now this class will continue with 6th main, name any two for the following. Okay. Okay, children, open your books and start writing quickly. Okay. 6th main, name any two for the following. So to give two examples. Okay, so first one is external organs. So for these two examples, I have to give. Next, second one is types of families. You know how many types of families are there? In that you can choose any two and write down. Okay, families. A, B. Now third one, internal organs. Internal organs. How many internal organs are there? You know. So write any two which you remember. Okay. Now let us write the answer. Now external organs. What are external organs? Where you can see the organs from outside. Okay. So there are so many organs where you know external organs. In that write any two. Okay. You can write any two of your choice. It's not that you have to write the same thing. Okay. Now, which are those? Write some easy ones where you remember. Okay. You can write what are the external organs. Which are those? Legs, eyes, ears. Okay. Nose. All this you can write down. So I am writing down here. Head, legs. Okay. You can write eyes, ears, anything. Now, types of families. Now, in my family, you have learned so many types. That is joint family, nuclear family, single parent family. Yes or no? So, in those three, you can write any two where you feel easy. So, you can write nuclear family and joint family. Joint family. Okay. Now, internal organs. The organs which are inside the body, we can't see them directly. Okay. So, those are called internal organs. So, internal organs, which are those internal organs? Heart, brain, then lungs, bones and muscles. Okay. So, in those, you can write any two, you can write which you feel easy. You can write lungs, brain, or even heart you can write. Okay, any two of your choice. Now copy down this quickly. By the time I'll write next main there. That is 7th main. Next is 7th main. You have got answer the following question answers. Okay. Answer the following first one. Okay, now write down quickly. I'll give 1 minute time. Okay. Now let us start with question answers. First question, which is the first question I'll write down now. How does the brain help us? How do brain help? It helps us in what? So it helps us to think, learn, remember everything. Okay. So how does the brain help us? How does the brain help us? Okay. So answer brain help us to think, comma, learn, comma, think, learn, right, and no need of comma, right, and remember. It controls all the organs of our body. Okay. How does the brain help? Brain helps us to think, learn, and remember. It controls all the organs of our body. Okay. Now, next, second question. What do babies need to grow? Second question. What do babies need to grow? Answer. Babies need good food, care, love, and affection to grow. Okay. What do babies need to grow? They need good food, care, love, and affection to grow. Okay, children, copy down. Now, next, third question. Third question is, what is a surname? Now, shall I rub this? I hope you all have copied. I'll continue here. Next, third question. What is third question? What is a surname? What is next line, right? What is a surname? Answer. What is a surname? A hereditary name, hereditary name, common to all members of a family is called a surname. Okay. Now, fourth question. What is the main function of the heart? What is the main function of the heart? What is the main function? What does heart do? What is its function? So, heart will pump the blood to all throughout the body, all the body parts. Okay. So, heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Okay. Now, next question. Fifth one. What is a joint family? So, fifth question is, what is a joint family? Answer. What is a joint family? So many people will be living in one house. That is all your relatives, cousins, cousin sisters, cousin brothers, uncle, aunt, grandparents. So all these people together living in one house is called a joint family. Okay. Now, children living with parents grandparents, parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins, and cousins. Is called a joint family. Okay. Now, what is a joint family? Children living with parents, grandparents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins is called a joint family. Okay, children. Now, I hope you all have written that side. I'll rub. Last main. Okay. If you have not written, you can pause the video. Okay, children. Now copy down that side. Now, next main is eighth main. Eighth main, it is very easy for you. Just you have to name these pictures. Okay. Now, here I can't draw the picture, but for your test paper, the picture will be printed. You have to name them. Okay. Seeing the picture, you have to name what is that. Okay. Down they'll give one line. On the top of that line, you have to write down what is the name of the picture. Now, which are those possibilities pictures? Two pictures are lungs. Second one is brain. Third one is heart. Fourth one is joint family. Okay, so these four pictures, in these four pictures, you may get any one or two or three, anything, but within this this thing only you'll be getting the pictures, and you have to name the picture. So lungs picture you may get the brain or heart or joint family. Joint family means you will be having all the people together in one group in one picture will be there. So for that you have to name joint family. That is parent, grandparents also will be there. Children will be there, uncle, aunt, everybody. So that kind of picture will be there. That time you have to name joint family. So in these four, you will be getting any two or one or three. Okay. For that, you just go through the pictures. You have to observe, see You should be able to name those pictures. Okay, children. Now, by this, FA1 revision completed. Okay, so only so many mains you'll be having for your test, FA1 test. So this is the last main. So FA1 revision completed. I have written here. I have completed the revision. Now only thing is you have to write down and study. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute time. Just copy down. You have to study from this revision book itself. I hope you all have written in the same revision book, English, EVS, Kannada, all the subjects. So it will be easy for you to study, children. So you have to maintain one book itself for revision. Okay. Now we have finished the revision. From Monday, your tests are starting. And one more thing is, I want to tell, bring one file, okay? Bring one file to carry the question paper, and again, while bringing back, you have to bring in that file itself, the answer paper, okay? This is for parents, I am telling. So parents, please, while coming, get one file to collect the papers, question paper, because you can't carry paper without any file like that only in the hand. It is good that you have to keep in the file. It will be neat also, and we need to maintain the papers also for all the tests. So in the same file you have to keep it. So Monday when you're coming, please bring one file to collect the question papers. Okay, by this I am ending up the class. Meet you in next class. All the best, children. Study well. All the subjects you have to study nicely. All the best. Meet you in next class. Thank you.